Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox and go over the features of this Razer Kiyo webcam. The Razer Kiyo is a webcam that features full HD at 30 frames per second recording. Also records 720p at 60 frames per second. It also features a nice LED light here for low light applications. It is heavily marketed towards streamers. It also includes a microphone on it, and it's compatible with OBS and XSplit. Let's go ahead, open it up, see what it comes with, install it, and check out some of its features. Got your starting guide here. I love Razer packaging. I mean, it's always on point. Very simple, minimalistic, very clean. Really heavy. Wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. Alright, rubberized at the bottom, so you can either set on your desk, mount it on a tripod. USB cable here. You can't detach the USB cable. Just move that out the way. Construction, very heavy duty plastic. It's really heavy. All you have to do to install it, hook it up just like this. Really simple. It's rubberized too, so it won't really go anywhere unless you force it. Just up and down movement. You can't really tilt it side to side. Okay, so in this part of the video, I'm using the webcam, and also the audio is coming straight from the webcam microphone. Alright, so as you can see here, all these different settings that you have on the Razer Synapse app on your PC. As you can see, there are many different settings here. You can change the brightness. You just play around with the brightness here. You could make it default, change different profiles here, make it custom. You know, you go to advanced settings here. See here, there's camera control where you could zoom in. There's autofocus. It's already checked for auto, or you could do it manually, unchecking this box here, and you can move the sliders back and forth. If I were you, just keep on auto. As you can see, the autofocus works really well on this webcam. Right, there's exposure. You can also pan and tilt this camera, so you can move it to side with the pan slider, or you can move it up and down. Alright, so currently I have all of my lights on, but supposedly the Razer webcam works well in low light settings. So let's go ahead and turn the lights off and see how it works. Alright, so this is with all the lights completely off except for my screen. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on for the webcam. Just gotta turn this knob here on the top, and you could adjust the brightness, turn up as much as you want. There's a lot of noise though when it's really dark and the LED light is on. As you can see, there's a lot of noise. It tries to adjust, but it's just too much noise going on. You can lower the brightness too, you can turn it off. Go ahead and turn on one light. And for this part of the video, I'm just completely using the microphone for the webcam. As you can see, it's not bad at all. Right now I'm like 2 feet away from the webcam. As you can see in the low light settings, I have my LED lights on right now that are on the wall. The Razer Kiyo works really hard to compensate for the low light. It's constantly auto-focusing. See, there's a little blur around me. Alright everyone, so that's it for this unboxing and overview of the Razer Kiyo webcam. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more future unboxing videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.